Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing okay. uh, Giving second life on the K24 seems to be going smoothly so far. I have not run into any hiccups whatsoever. This is after the installation of the valves and the springs. But today's episode is I'm gonna be doing a little bit of repairing. This one caught my eye when I was browsing around on the internet, and let me show you what I have here. It's a K20. There we go. It's an RBC intake manifold. Take it out of the box. It's a used item, of course. Gone. Yeah, I was browsing around on the internet and I saw this one, and yeah, it caught my eyes and I said, man, that will be a good project, huh? Plus it's a good upgrade for the K24A, the neglected block. This one happened to have a map sensor together with this K-tuned spacer. So for a price that I paid on this one, I think it's more like a win-win situation. But what exactly rumbled on my mind when I was looking at this is this one right here. It does really require some repairing, and I thought it will be a challenge for me. Yeah, that's what really, aside from the price that I paid for this is merely the reason why I got it. So I thought it will be a good idea to get this and bring back to life together with the neglected K24A. And that is the episode for today, is repairing this. And maybe afterwards, I don't know, I was thinking about shutting this off completely, since by the time I get done with this, I'm gonna have to get this thing flat. So might as well get rid of this hole, that one too, yeah, all of those whip holes. Just do it all in one time. And also I am thinking of, let me put this on the intake manifold and let me show you what else I was thinking about. I was thinking about adding this on. This is from my previous RBC intake manifold that I cut up and welded an H22 flange. It's just an idea that I have in my head. That way I don't have to worry about getting a plate. But there's also a downside by doing that, being this having a coolant that it goes to a temperature, a high temperature. I mean, the reason being why people are not using this, it's because of they don't want any heat transfer on the intake manifold. But it will save me quite a bit of money if I able to graft it onto this intake manifold. But we'll see how it goes. Looking good already. Yeah. All right, for now, this is my task. I'm gonna clean this up. So this one's gonna sit like so. And this one is right here. All right. It's gonna be a challenge. I think that will do it. I just need to tack it and fully weld this side and then hollow it out from the inside once I remove this intake manifold from the head. This is my A3 head right there. Yeah, I don't want to risk warping the good one, so this one is okay. I think that should be good. Everything's all clean. I just have to make sure that follows that contour line. Yeah, I just need to tack this and fully weld this side. All right, wish me luck. All right, now I'm gonna tack here and I'll fully weld it. I widen this area, that way I can penetrate on the other side and so as on this side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start filling up that areas and got it all welded, so it is penetrated both sides. Alright, got it all smooth with a file, and I think I'm ready to hit it on the belt sander. Man, this belt sander turned out to be worthy. Could use a little bit power on something this big, but it's okay. I just have to take my time. By the time I get done with this, you probably would not even know that I repaired this. Alright, man. Yeah, I got a good deal on this one. This is where I close this out, and you will see the rest of this once the motor is all done, when everything is put together. All right, I'll see you guys back.